Industrial Automation Magazine presents the top supply chain technology trends for 2023. In the ever-evolving landscape of supply chain management, 2023 brings forth groundbreaking trends that redefine the industry. First up, actionable AI. This cutting-edge technology empowers decision-makers by mimicking human problem-solving, learning from past decisions, and adapting to real-world circumstances. Next, smart operations. They revolutionize the core of supply chains, encompassing manufacturing, service, and logistics. The orchestration of processes and data unleashes unprecedented potential for transformation. Mobile asset optimization comes into play, maximizing enterprise mobile assets with business process software and operational research techniques. From smart robots in warehouses to transportation visibility platforms, collaboration thrives. Embracing industry cloud platforms, we witness the convergence of SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS tailored for vertical industries. It elevates cloud platforms to business innovation tools, creating added value beyond tradition. With a focus on employee engagement, companies invest in tools that enhance frontline worker performance, safety, and satisfaction. From mixed reality to wearables, a comprehensive workforce strategy leads the way. Enter composable application architecture, designed with modularity, autonomy, and orchestration. Packaged business capabilities deliver defined, recognizable benefits for end users. As technology advances, so do cybersecurity concerns. Cyber-resilient supply chains tackle vulnerabilities arising from digital connectivity, safeguarding against risks within the intricate supply chain ecosystem. Supply chain integration services play a crucial role, elevating integration from the tactical to the strategic. Technology platforms, integration teams, and cloud services create a more interconnected supply chain world. The future of supply chain technology is here, and these trends drive innovation, efficiency, and resilience across industries. Embrace the change, and let your supply chain thrive in this dynamic landscape. While talking about supply chains, some of the leading companies in the automation domain include Dataiku, SAP IBP, Basware, AWS Supply Chain, UiPath, Yaskawa Electric, Cognizant, and more. These industry pioneers are reshaping logistics and manufacturing, delivering cutting-edge solutions that drive efficiency and resilience for businesses worldwide. As we conclude our journey through the top supply chain technology trends for 2023, the future shines brighter than ever before. Embrace these transformative technologies and unlock a world of possibilities for your business. Stay ahead of the curve, adapt, and thrive in this dynamic landscape. Don't miss out on the latest updates and expert insights. Subscribe to Industrial Automation Magazine's YouTube channel for more cutting-edge information on industrial automation. And join us on this exciting journey of innovation. Visit our website and subscribe to our magazine now. Together, let's shape the future of supply chain technology. Industrial Automation Magazine, India's #1. Tomorrow's global leader.